Yo. Trying to make me some food? Why you always want food? Because you can actually cook in this motherfucker.
Bro, I have all these food on my YouTube channel. Why don't you check that?
Why would I even do that?
No, I'm not cooking for you, bro. Simple.
Crab cakes. Crab cakes. You see it. First, what we gotta do is get a pound of shrimp. Make sure you take the shells off. I'm not showing you that still. There's another video. Take the shells off. Make sure it's deveined. Put it in a container. What we're gonna cut is onion, half an onion, and then a half a pepper. When you finish cutting your onions and peppers into small dices, grab a cast iron skillet, a little olive oil. We're gonna saute these until color. While we're sauteing them, throw a little pinch of salt, pinch of pepper for me. Season the vegetables for me. After you saute them, put the onions and peppers on the side, right? Now, cut chives, put it in the bowl. Cut parsley, put it in the bowl. Let's save half parsley for the aioli. Cut garlic and put it in another bowl. I know there's too many containers, but put it in another bowl. All right, then lastly, grab your shrimp, pound of shrimp, start slicing them. Put it back in the container that you originally had it in. Add Cajun seasoning, about 2-3 tablespoons, probably 2. Add your cooked onions and peppers. Mix it round and round. You got a 22-ounce bottle right here. Add half of this, so about 11 ounces, right? But add panko, zest half the lemon. 2 eggs. Mix it again. There is your patty. For the aioli now, don't use all the half mayonnaise. That's gonna be OD, but just use whatever how much you want your aioli for, right? Lemon juice. And we have this hot sauce. This bullshit. Come look at this, bro. You see this shit right here, this label? This is what you want. This shit is fire. Just get this screenshot it, whatever you gotta do, just get this. We're gonna put this in the, can you focus that shit real quick? And the mayonnaise. And then add the half parsley that you saved. Mix it together. If it needs salt, add salt. If it needs pepper, add pepper. Feel me? And that is it. After you mix your shrimp cakes, start forming them into little patties. You want little dollops like this. You feel what I'm saying? Look on the screen. That's what you want. That's what you want for your crab cakes to shape, right? Sort them on the sheet pan. Have a cast iron skillet. We're gonna shallow fry these crab cakes. Heat it up. Heat up the oil, canola oil, whatever oil. Actually, canola oil to 350 degrees. Cook one side. Flip it when it turns color. Cook the other side. That's your patties. See it? Try this out quick. Oh!